How's it going, everybody? Do you have this problem? Well, if so, I'm going to show you how to fix it. Alright, you're going to need a couple crescent wrenches, or you can get the, figure out what size they are on there and get the actual size wrenches. For now, I'm just using these crescent wrenches. We're going to put one right here, and we're going to put one on the base to hold it, because you don't want to just crank on this. These fittings are sweated, so you're basically, you know, if you just go tighten this thing down, you're fighting the resistance to bond on the sweated joint, which is likely to give, causing a huge problem. You have to replace the whole thing, have a water mess. We're going to try to avoid that, and then just kind of put this on there for holding that stable, and then we'll put the other one on here and tighten this nut down. Something kind of like that. I'm going to take these, I'm going to hold this one still, I'm going to crank this one to the right. There we go. Don't give it more than it needs. Just a little bit. Just enough. See, there we go. No more leak. Should be able to cycle it all the way in. No leak there. This is where we were having our problem before. No leak now. That's how you do it. Thanks for watching, guys.